Hello friend, how's it going? So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a package for your sleeve for your shirt. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a sleeve placket for shirts. So let's go to the video. So guys, for that you're going to need a paper, a square, ruler, and a pen or pencil. So guys, and a measurement as well, ruler or a tape measurement. So this is very fast guys to do. First of all, you're going to use your ruler. You're going to do a square. Take your ruler, do it like that. From the line here, we are going to go 6 centimeters, and here as well 6 centimeters, and we are going to make a line. So here 6 centimeters. From this part, this end, we are going to go and make another line here, 2 centimeters, and from the top to the bottom 5 centimeters, and you are going to make your little bit of a square here. So here it's 2 centimeters, and here 5. Okay. From the top to the bottom, you are going to measure 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Like that. Okay. This is the facing part. The back part you are going to get the same measurement. We are just going to go 3 centimeters and a half from that measurement. 3 and a half, and you square that down. And you just take the same line here and this line here. Okay, so your pattern is made. Now we are going to cut it off. Take your scissors and cut it. I'm going to share a little tip with you guys, because you guys don't need to do this pattern all the time. You guys can use this same pattern. Here you are going to cut this part, this here, and here, just like that. This top, and now here. And there you have it. This is the front part, this is the back part. So another tip that I can give you guys is that you guys can use your shirt interfacing, and this is mine, this is what I use. So I glue here a canvas, a fusible canvas, so this paper it's harder than this. So I can take this and make a hole there, and you can leave it in somewhere that you remember. So you can, all the time that you are going to cut a new shirt, you can use this same placket, because this is going to be the same size for whatever shirt you are going to do, with French cuff, normal cuff, it doesn't matter, you are always going to use the same. So do it once, and save it for you guys always use the same. So guys, there you have it. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm always sharing new ideas, new videos with you guys about sewing, about tailoring, and I will be glad to have you guys here following along or day to day what we are going to do up, and ask something if you have some doubts, if you want to you want me to explain you something about something that you don't know, I'll be pleased to help you.